family. In this video I will be celebrating Crafty Meraki's 3rd birthday, and we're gonna do that with a birthday card. And stay till the end because I will share a close-up of all of the new release from Crafty Meraki, and you don't want to miss that, so stay tuned. But first let's create a super sweet masculine birthday card, or I say masculine birthday card, I don't know if it is, I just was imagining a person that is a guy when I created this card, so that is why it's a rainbows and it's bling bling all the way, so you can be for anybody. But I am using the new super fun paper pad from Crafty Meraki called Celebrate Good Times, and it's a 6x8.5 piece of cardstock, and it's fantastic size for any card makers. You can also use it on mini books, and I believe you can use it for scrapbooking as well, but I will be using it for card makers since I am mainly creating card projects. So I'm pairing this with an older I want to say basic die set called Birthday Star Mini Slimline, and it has these rounded edges, and I cut my panel at an angle, and then I cut the green paper as well, and then I'm trimming off slimline card base here to be the perfect size for my project. And then I will attach all of this together. But before I do that, I will go in with some black splatters, and I'm cheating. I'm just using a stamp that I have in my stash that I love using for this. I'm just using some random dots here, just pressing it into an ink pad and then getting these dots all over my pattern paper. Love it. And then I will pair it with my green here, and we will tuck it on top of that mini slimline. And the sentiment for this also come from that same Birthday Star Mini Slimline die set. And I'm just using some glue, gluing this or attaching this to the lower right corner. And we will have birthday wishes, I believe it says in the end here. And this was a really simple card, but with pattern papers, a lot of the work is already done for you because you have your stunning background here, and all I'm doing is just putting the pieces together, and voila, we have a project that is ready to go out to someone amazing. And of course you cannot forget the dots on top of your letters, and those are really fiddly, but they are an extra touch that I think is important to have, of course. Then I will glue my layers together. And if I forgot to mention this video is a part of a video hop, and the person next in line will be listed down below. Go check out all of the designers in this video hop. There is also an Instagram hop going on if you want to check out some more inspiration, and you have a chance to win some amazing prizes, and all of the details will be listed down below in the description box, as well as all of the products in this release. And as I mentioned, stay tuned because as fast as I'm finished with this really simple project, you will have a close-up of all of the goodies in this release. So stay tuned, here it is. Bye! Hi everyone, welcome back. I am so excited to share this release from Crafty Meraki with you and to celebrate their 3rd birthday or anniversary or whatever it's called. And I believe I have all of the new items, and I have some really exciting stuff in this pile, and I will actually move this to the side so you cannot see them yet. You've probably seen hints all over internet, or maybe you visit one of the other designers YouTube channel already and seen this, but I am excited about it, so I will share that in a moment with you. And I wanted to start by sharing some of the other goodies in this release. So there is something new from Crafty Meraki, and that is 3 new paper pads in the format 6x8.5, and it's perfect for slimline, or if you want to make sort of a top folded note card or whatever. So where were I? I think I was here. So it's perfect for those standard A2 size cards because you will have 2 card fronts in one set. So I thought I was going to flip through these with you. So to start off, I have this one, Celebrate Good Times, and it's perfect. Crafty Meraki is having their 3rd birthday, and of course we had to have a birthday theme one, right? So it's balloons, and on the other side there is this fun pattern. It's really rainbow pack, and it says that it's 12 patterns, 2 of each, and 24 sheets in total. And the sheets are really smooth. So you have your rainbow candles and some cupcakes. That is really cute. And you have stars on the other side. I don't know which way it's best to go, but I think this works best. So you have your party hats and just a nice, really bright yellow polka dot. And then like a wave on green and some more presents. And pink stripes and party time, a banners, and some tone on tone, white on blue presents and cupcakes. And then I believe the patterns are repeating itself, but on the other way. So you have the reversed here. So you have polka dots, the waves, the stripes, the tone on tone, and there you have it. So you can see, if you really like one pattern, you will actually get 4 of the one, but then you have to sacrifice the other side. So depending on which pattern you like the best, you can always do it that way. And then we have, this is also 12 pattern, 2 of each, 24 in total. I believe I will do this instead because this is a plaid one, and I actually cut one out, so you will see that in a second. So you have this one, on the other side is like this. So here's the one I cut out. You can see it here. You will see it on screen later in a video that I created. So perfect for any occasions. So here they are repeating itself once more. There you go. You have your Luxe plaid pattern paper. And then we have my favorite one, and I actually used one paper in this one as well. So mine is a little bit like messed up because I of course turned it a little bit too hard, but you can say you have your beautiful flowers. I love this paper pack. This sign on the other side, a yellow background, a white one with pink flowers. You have this ombre effect in green and in pink. Yellow ombre effect and some flowers, pink and yellow on top of that teal cardstock. I just love that. Polka dots in the background, watercolored flowers, love this. You have the pattern again, and you can see a circle with flower clusters in the middle. I think this is super beautiful, and then it repeats itself once more. So cute, just love that. So all of this is just pure yumminess. And then we're gonna go into the really fun stuff here. So hang on, let me just check one thing. So Crafty Meraki is releasing this whimsical magnolias. This is one stamp set, a really large one, and it has the coordinating dies, so you can cut everything out with one pass. And you get some inspiration on the back on how this will look colored in. But now guys, I'm so excited. This is the Effortless Artistry Paper Collection, Crafty Meraki Whimsical Magnolias. So you can see, you have your stamps if you like to color in yourself or do techniques. You have your dies, and then you have this pure magic. So you can see you get 3 different designs from 3 different artists. So the one that colored this is Lunan, Erica and Brenda. So these 3 amazing ladies are a part of Crafty Meraki's design team, and they designed, or actually they didn't design, but they colored in all of these, and then they sent in it to Crafty Meraki, and they printed this paper pack for you, so you don't have to spend a lot of time coloring if that is not your jam. So I just want you to see how this works. So you can see, you just take your dies, you pop them on top, run it through your die cutting machine, and then you have a lot of pieces that you just can embellish your card fronts with. So I think this is really amazing. And these are single-sided, and I believe that you get, it's a pack of 24 sheets. And you can do the same thing with this one. Really cute. Or in this one, if that is more your style. I think that is amazing. So they did a phenomenal job coloring this in. I just love it. And I love this die for being one piece and you just run it through. I think it's so simple. So the next stamp I want to share with you is Love Like No One Other. And it has, I believe this will come together. It's one die set that cuts the florals out and then the sentiments. Get some inspiration on the back. You can see I already used this stamp set. But if that wasn't enough, you can also see that you have your Effortless Artistry paper collection, and you have 4 amazing designs in this pack. So you can see what a beautiful coloring you will get with this one. This one is another stunning one. Oh, I just love this no-line coloring with pencils. I believe this is probably my favorite one of them, and this is also really beautiful. So I mean, this is amazing. You can see how much variation it is between them. No one is like the other one. And this also, I think, if you are picking up this will give you a lot of inspiration on how to color your stamps out to get different looks. So I think this is a really good way, even though you like coloring, this is a really good way of seeing how other people color this image in and how you can use that in your card making. So I just have to tell you, I really like this one. I think it's beautiful. So I love that one. And then we have the next one, and you can see it's the Sweet Tweets. Super cute set, and it has the coordinating dies. I just popped it on the back. You can see you have your inspiration here as well. And of course you also have your Effortless Artistry paper collection, and the inspiration on the back is also included in this one. The cute yellow and blue birds, and you have your sweet coloring here. I believe this is Erica. I just love her rainbow. I know that she will have a video up for you today, probably talking about all of her coloring in this. She did an amazing job. Oh, this is so beautiful with all of the pinks and greens. I like that. This is fun with all of the dots on the sun. Really fun. And then we have this. Super sweet as well. I just love it. You can really see that these are hand drawn. They are not like colored in the computer or anything. They were hand drawn, so that is super cool. Yeah, I just love it. And you can see how much you will get in this pack as well. So it's tons and tons of this. And then we have the little garden tubs. You can see I have coordinating dies, the cute boys and girls here playing in the garden, and 4 designs of coloring. So cute, look at those. Really love it. Super sweet. I just love that. Can you see that rainbow skirt? This is Erica's. I just know it. I love all of them. I think this is so, you can see all of the details in the hair here. Really cute. You can see here the shadows of the dress. The color combinations are super sweet. Yeah, it's a really fun one. I think these will be really popular. I just love them. Love how it turned out. And Snug Bugs, coordinating dies. Inspiration on the back. I used this one as well. Just colored it in. I had a blast coloring them in. You know, I love coloring, so even though I'm no pro at coloring, I really like it. But I think this is a phenomenal like extra thing if you just want to create a fast card. So this is one of the ways you can color this one in. Super cute. I just love that little snail. Can you see all of the dots that she put on it? So cute. Amazing. And this is also really fun. This has a lot of color choices that I probably would never make, but you can see how well they turned out together, and that little white gel pen also makes everything look like it's sparkling. A pink frog, I would never have imagined that, but I really like it now that I can see how it would turn out. And also a purple like mushroom house, super sweet, love it. And this is a lot more subtle, but I love it. You can see all of the details here, super sweet, just love it. So you got that one. And then we have the last one for this release, Spring Wonder, and you have this big cluster of flowers, some small sentiments, coordinating dies of course, and some inspiration on the back. And as that wasn't enough, you also have your effortless artistry paper. You can see this one, super beautiful. Oh, I love that one. I love the color choices of this. Super sweet, and I hope you can see the shadow that I believe this was Brenda put on it. Really cute. That will probably also be there when you are cutting it out. Can't wait to play with this. And this is beautiful, the pink and purple. I mean, this is something I love seeing like this, but I would never pick the colors myself. I just have a hard time with the purple. I don't know what it is. I really love the color, but I have problem using it on my own. But this is super fun. So yeah, so much inspiration. So this is a super fun release and so much new stuff that we hope that you will enjoy and like as much as we do. So this video is a part of a video hop, and the next person in line will be linked down below. And yeah, until next time, have a great day. Bye.